It's always nice to be able to show you, our dear clients, the road tour to any estate that we are selling so that you can understand how the location looks like, see the environment, and we're not just going to be showing you the estate alone. That's why today I'm doing another road tour to Alexandra Court and the renewed Hope City. So this is how I just turned in from the Lekki-Epe Expressway, and we're going straight down to Alexandra Court and the renewed Hope town. You can see that our road is very motorable. It's been well graded. It's not tarred and it's not interlocked, but it is graded properly and very, very motorable. And it's just a straight road, a straight journey. When we get to the toll, there's a gate where the security will, interview us, and then we now do a little bit of left and right turning there. So stick with me while I just take you right to this beautiful estate where you can own your home and have up to 30 years to pay for it. So stick with me, let me take you there. So now we turned left. We're going now to our Alexandra Court, and as you can see that when it's a government project, you can see the wide road. It's not a tight road. You can see that infrastructure is already in place. We have solar powered street lights already being fixed. This road is tarred, and there's plan for greenery left and right. That is the difference when it comes to a government project. I'm taking you to Alexandra Court once again. It's a reminder where we have a collaboration with Lagos State Government, with the FMB, and that's the Federal Mortgage Bank, and the Grande Properties. Over the right estate that we just passed is the Ibeju Coastal City estate, where they have service plots for sale. But today is about Alexandra Court and the renewed hope. So stick with me, we'll be there very shortly. But I wanted to see that it's a well-planned estate. It is a well-planned, well-thought-about estate. The amenities are going to be very good. Good drainage, good road, good security, good power supply, good water supply. Basic things that you need are going to be provided for you, and you're going to love living here. So we're almost there. We're going to see our Alexandra Court. That's it over there on the left. And then down this road is where we have the renewed hope estate. But let me show you our 3-bedroom at Alexandra Court and take you there, take you to renewed hope later, so that you can get all the information you need about paying for a property for 30 years. Every day, home ownership becomes easier because you, my dear clients watching me, you need to own a piece of your own in this Lagos, and you need to own it either for your own personal use, for residential purpose, or for rental income, or just use for you to keep and grow your real estate portfolio and you enjoy the appreciation in times to come. Welcome to Alexandra Court in the coastal city of Ibeju Lekki. This is a project in conjunction with Lagos State and the Federal Mortgage Bank, built by Grande Properties. My dear clients, this is the time for you to key into this project because I assure you that you will be able to afford it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, you're sure to grow your wealth through real estate. And here today, I'm live at Alexandra Court inside the coastal city where we have the renewed hope estate as well. I'll take you there shortly. But right now, I'm at Alexandra Court. which is a project in conjunction with the Federal Mortgage Bank, Lagos State, and the developer is Legrande Properties Limited. Here you can see already built up properties. I'm going to give you more details about it, but I am telling you that you can get up to 30 years payment plan when you key into either the Alexandra Court or the Renewed Hope Estate. Now, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and also hit the bell so you will always know whenever I bring you lovely videos like this one. And for you, my old timers, I totally appreciate you. God bless you. God bless all your endeavors. And I pray that we'll continually have a mutually beneficial relationship. All right, my dear clients, what am I here to do today? I realized that my last video, which was done way back last year, needs to be updated, and I've come to give you an update property tour of the Alexandra Court. Once again, here we have 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms. But guess what? Right now, 2 bedrooms are sold out. The 4 bedroom available is under the Renewed Hope, which is about 1 minute drive from now. But right here in Alexandra Court, we have the 3 bedroom apartment still selling. So I'm going to take you on a tour of how it looks, and I can assure you that you're going to love the space and you're going to love the quality of materials used here. Let us go and see how it looks. This block is already sold out. We gathered that it's by Shell Cooperative staff that took advantage of this block. This is a 3 bedroom block. This is the massive living area. Very, very, very spacious. And we have a guest toilet right here. It's also quite big and spacious. 3 rooms down here. Then the kitchen, which is really massive. It's a bit dark, the generator is not on, but it's a fully fitted kitchen that comes with the microwave, the oven, and the cooker. So we have 1 room here, the fitted wardrobes, real good quality sanitary wares is what we have here. All rooms are en suite. We have the 2nd room down this hall. I love this space. You can put pictures here, just to beautify your home. This is the 2nd room, lovely wardrobe with en suite, bathroom, and toilet, and very spacious room, good ventilation. Then the 3rd room is the master's. This is exactly how your pot is going to come. I love this. This is a beautiful closet space, and massive room, massive bathroom. You can see how sturdy this is. Really sturdy, good quality sanitary wares, and this lovely POP ceiling. It's really a beautiful place, and it has up to 30 years payment plan. I'll give you more information. Let's go and see other parts of this estate. So my dear client, this 3 bedroom is currently selling for 70 million naira, and I'm going to explain why this is so. Last year we were selling for 55 million naira, but building materials inflation has affected the price, and it is now going for 70 million naira. However, you have up to 30 years to make payment for this beautiful project. How will that happen? Yes, we are in partnership with the Federal Mortgage Bank. We also have the 1-year plan, the 2 years plan, because usually when you make payments for a loan, if it's convenient for you, shorter payment plans will give you your equity faster, will give you your house faster. You can do whatever you want to do with it, and own it. However, if it's not convenient for you, if your cash flow needs that help, then we have up to 30 years payment plan. But I need to explain to you how it works. The Federal Mortgage Bank is going to be giving to you 60% of the value of this project, while you will make 40% as equity for this project. That 40% will not be required from you at once. It's a very convenient property to buy. At the beginning of the process, you'll be asked to pay 10%, that will be 7 million naira. Then after 60 days, when your application has reached the Federal Mortgage Bank and the company that processing your application, they will ask you to pay another 10%. That makes 20%. That's about 14 million naira. Then, when your application has, when you get is approved by the Federal Mortgage Bank, you'll be asked to pay another 10%, another 7, that's 21 million naira. Then, the whole project will now be completed. Upon handing over this project, the property to you, usually from experience, it takes about 12 to 18 months because an off-land project, all these ones are sold out. Then you'll be asked to pay your last 10%. So you can imagine, at the end of the day, your 28 million naira most likely will spread over 12 months or even 18 months, depending on the speed of construction. So it is convenient. And then afterwards, you will now be paying back your 60% with the tenor that you have chosen that is convenient to you and approved by the Federal Mortgage Bank. Now, note that the Federal Mortgage Bank's limit for the loan is age 60. So for you to know the number of years that you can take this loan, you will subtract your current age from age 60. That will give you the number of years that will be approved by the Federal Mortgage Bank. So if you are 25 watching this video right now, you are very, very, very liable for a 30 years payment plan, and that would mean that you're paying about 200,000 naira every month. I will check it, it could even be less. So this is an opportunity for you to own property. This estate has the best infrastructure. Already you can see the solar powered light, you can see the wide road, you can see the car park well interlocked, you can see the greenery, the horticulture is beautiful. You can see that this place is going to have a gym area, children area, there's going to be a hospital, schools are going to be here. It's a well planned estate, and it is called the New Lagos in the coastal city of Ibeju Lekki. Macarius Estate is just right in front of these properties of this estate. So you can imagine the land, the value of land right here in the coastal city Renewed Hope Estate. Even opposite the estate over there, there's land already selling for 36 million naira for 500 square meters of land. So the value of land is already high here, and as you all know, the Lagos Airport is already approved and the contract to JV signed with the Lagos State government to start construction. From here to the Lagos State Airport is about 15-20 minutes drive. And that tells you that this place will be a very good place also for Airbnb business, for rental income. Even the Dangote refinery is a massive development around here. Lots of big companies that will need staff to work for them, and will need good estate where they can live in. So it's also a good spot for rental income. So my dear clients, let me take you to Renewed Hope, where you still have 2 bedrooms selling for 36 million naira, 3 bedrooms selling for 48 million naira, and the 4 bedroom terraces going for 85 million naira. So come with me, let me take you to see that site.